Hi everyone, Gabriel with RG Insurance here, and I wanted to talk to you about homeowners insurance. So I'm gonna give you some bullet points about the main coverage, and the first one will be the dwelling, which is the structure of the home, right? How we as an insurance agents get the value of the structure. We have a program that is called the Reconstruction Cost Estimator, where basically we input all the basic information about the home, square footage, year of construction, roofing year, and things like that. And then the system will give us a pretty good idea of how much coverage do you need to rebuild the home as it was before any event. By the way, we wanted to thank you, one of our clients, to letting us do this video here, so thank you so much. Another coverage that is built into the homeowners insurance policy is, for example, other structures, right? That will be a good example. They do have a separated structure from the home, and that will be covered under the other structures, right? It is a percentage coming from the main dwelling amount, and is automatically built in on the policy, so that is another coverage that will provide you the homeowners insurance policy, right? So we have the structure of the home. If anything happens in case of an event, the company will rebuild the property as it was before any event, right? Then we'll go inside and I will explain you a little bit about the personal property. Follow me, let's go. Okay, now that we are inside, I'm going to explain you a little bit more about the property coverage, right? It is a built-in coverage in your homeowner's insurance, and that will cover your personal property inside of your home, right? If anything happens, in case of any event, fire, theft, any event that is covered under your policy, they will replace your personal property as it was before any event. What is included under that personal property? Your furniture, your clothes, and your kitchen, you will be covered, or your appliances will be covered and replaced as they were before any event. But also there's another important coverage on your homeowner's insurance policy, which is the water backup coverage, right? Basically it's a coverage that will be provided in case you have a water coming back from your pipes, your bathroom, your shower, and that will give you coverage for the damages that the water causes, like flooring or any damage basically. So that will be a part of your homeowner's insurance policy. Since we are in Maryland, we do have calls in winter especially about freezing pipes, and that is also included on your homeowner's insurance policy. It's part of your coverage. What is not part of your coverage is flood. It's usually a separate policy that we have to do it, especially if you're in a flood area. Believe it or not, we do have a few zones that are considered a flood area here in Maryland, but that will be a part of the conversation that we'll have when we're writing your policy. So let's go outside and I will tell you about the liabilities on the outside of this property. Yeah. So now that we are outside, I'm gonna show you two examples of liability, right? And we have both of them here in the same backyard. One will be the pool, right? And the other one will be the trampoline, right? Even though this one is in-ground trampoline, is still a liability. And why? Why underwriters, when we are submitting an application for a homeowner policy like this one, will take a look of the, for example, the fence. They want to know if there's a fence, so the neighbors or the kids' neighbors won't walk into the house and just start playing in the pool or going into the trampoline. And you never know when something is going to happen, right? That would be an exposure for a liability claim. If any of the neighbors, or let's say they have a guest in this house and something happened to one of those kids, anyone get injured or anything happen, the liability will cover for that exposure. So that's why it's very important that you guys talk to the insurance agent when doing your policy to make sure your liability is covered, because you do have a beautiful home, you have a beautiful assets, right? And you don't want to lose anything that you work so hard building for not having the right coverage. So the liability coverage is very important, especially when we have pool, trampoline, and any other exposure in your home. So our job as an insurance agent is to make sure that you have the right coverage on your auto, on your home, and probably an umbrella will be a good idea if you're a homeowner. So again, we'll see you soon. We'll do another video about homeowners and other topics about insurance. So I'll see you soon. Thank you.